Hello and welcome back to Dilshan Time. Today we're going to talk about more crypto. The past 48 hours have been very intense for crypto. We saw a sharp market correction, a major regulatory shift in the US, and one of the biggest exchanges fundraisers ever. So here are the three biggest stories you need to know in order of impact. As most of you know, the market has had its biggest two-day drop in 7 months. Bitcoin broke below $90,000 for the first time since early 2025, and the total crypto market cap dropped from $3.6 trillion to just above $3.2 trillion in under 48 hours. Ethereum dropped below $3,000, and BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF saw its largest single day outflow ever at $523 million. And what triggered this? Well, the Fed rate cut odds for December collapsed to just 32% after stronger than expected economic data, combined with heavy profit taking from short-term holders and leveraged liquidations topping at $1.2 billion. Bitcoin recovered slightly to above $92,500 after Nvidia's blowout earnings lifted risk assets, but the overall sentiment remains fragile. Many on-chain indicators are now at levels that historically mark local bottoms. Next, the SEC completely removes crypto from 2026 regulatory priorities. Just yesterday, the SEC published its 2026 examination priorities, and for the first time in many years, there is no dedicated section on cryptocurrency or digital assets. The entire crypto corner that existed under previous leadership has completely vanished. This follows the Trump administration's pro-crypto stance and signals that the SEC is stepping back from aggressive enforcement and treating digital assets more like any other asset class. Market participants see this as one of the most bullish regulatory developments in many years, potentially paving the way for more ETF approvals, clearer rules on staking, and reduced lawsuit risk for protocols and exchanges. Speaking of exchanges, if you do want to trade Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, use BitUnix and my link in the description below. You will get a fantastic deposit bonus and qualify for loads of great rewards on a trustworthy exchange with phenomenal liquidity, and they offer over 800 pairs. Finally, Kraken raises $800 million and confidentially files for US IPO. So Kraken has just cemented its position as a crypto giant. Just yesterday, the exchange closed an $800 million funding round led by Citadel Securities. This values the company at approximately $20 billion. This is one of the largest private funding rounds in crypto history. Kraken then confidentially submitted its S1 filing for a US IPO with plans to go public as early as Q1 in 2026. This comes at a time when many people like myself have feared that the public market's appetite for crypto had cooled, but it sends a very strong message. Institutional capital is still flowing in spite of the market dip. So to summarize, volatility is back, but the long-term setup keeps getting stronger. Let me know which cryptocurrencies you'd like me to talk about in my next video, and like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this. I will see you in the next one. Take care.